beautiful. There's a couple of my favorite barns right on this road right here. Such a beautiful country road. Hardly any vehicles. Just farmlands and animals, birds, cricket sounds. It's just so healing. Feeling so blessed right now. Yeah. I'm gonna walk right up to this barn. That's my other favorite one. And I am gonna get a better shot of it. Okay, I'm a little out of breath because I just walked up the hill. And yeah, I've been pretty much hibernating all winter, so my heart is not in the best shape right now. But look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Right? Yeah. It's just so gorgeous. Look at that. Whee! You gotta love these fences too. They remind me of my childhood. I used to jump over them kind of fences to go get some wild garlic, and my mother said, "You better be careful. There's wild boars in there." So I kind of took the fun out of that. But yeah, I do love the landscape. Look at that. Just came out to stretch my legs, get some sun. I'm also earthing. That's why I can't walk very far, because I'm wearing my hippie sandals. Hardly any clouds. But all morning there were clouds. But yeah. Gorgeous, right? It's about 6:30. And like I said, it was like chilly this morning, cloudy, felt damp. The price of gas is ridiculous. Beautiful. Just absolutely love it. Toothpick, anyone? My heart is going. Check this out. Would you rather this or a treadmill? Right? I think I'll do this. I forgot to bring a bag, and I bring it because I usually collect tin cans. There's usually so many. But look at that. Look at the gorgeous, right? Remember, pay the farmer or pay the doctor. I pay the farmer. And thank you. Thank you, farmers. I appreciate you, especially the organic farmers. I thought you would enjoy. the countryside, roads, farmlands, nature, beautiful trees, wildflowers, toothpicks, and look at this. Everything's starting to love the sun. Let food be thy medicine, and let medicine be thy food. Yep, you are what you eat. It's kind of fishy how this fish bone, these fish bones, I should say, and there, how they ended up here when there's no bodies of water. Things that make you go, hmm. Isn't this incredible? I never noticed this before, but this maple tree seed, the markings look just like a grown fall maple tree. I used to call them helicopters when I was a kid. When they have the other half attached to it, you throw it up in the air and it kind of, falls to the ground, and it looks like helicopter blades. This little thing, this little seed, maple seed, will grow up into a big maple tree if everything aligns in divine order.